Easel Does It. Understanding the playful twist in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and playful phrase. Easel does it. This quirky expression is a great example of wordplay in English. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned to master this charming phrase. Easel does it is a playful twist on the common English phrase, easy does it. At first glance, these phrases might sound similar, but they have different meanings and usages. Easy does it is used to tell someone to go slowly and carefully, especially in delicate situations. It's like saying, take it easy, be careful. On the other hand, easel does it is a pun, where the word easy is replaced with easel, a stand for holding a painter's canvas. A pun is a form of wordplay that exploits multiple meanings of a term or similar sounding words for an intended humorous or rhetorical effect. In Easel Does It, the pun is on the word easel, which sounds like easy. This phrase is often used in artistic contexts or simply for a humorous effect in everyday language. It's a creative way to bring a smile while reminding someone to proceed with caution. You might use Easel Does It in situations related to art or painting, as a light-hearted encouragement or warning. For example, when someone is painting a delicate part of a picture, you might say, Easel does it. Take your time with those details. It's also used more broadly in any context where you want to add a bit of humor while advising someone to be careful. Understanding such phrases also gives insight into English-speaking cultures, where puns and wordplay are often appreciated in conversation and media. It showcases the playful and creative aspect of language. Remember, using phrases like this can make your English sound more natural and fluent. We hope you enjoyed learning about Easel Does It. It's a wonderful example of how English can be playful and fun. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural and humorous aspects. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a bit of wit to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.